Matijong ni Paiphor ni Diphu Sarsing Teron Langkung Habe Don Horalong MYAR Khayatun Indek Thongke Bahini Sikpui Roi Katalon Pon. APHRC 6 Foundation di Katalon Pon Chia Phan Tirika Mamai Kiseng Pon. PSC Bojan District Committee Tumpen Arondri Pen Parking Kipang Nia Puthak SDO Civil Arideng Timpura Lokipa Junta. Diphu along kido MYAR Khayatun Pen Matijong ni Paiphor ni Diphu Sarsing Teron Langkung Habe Ton Horalong Indeng Thongke Brahinia Phong Sikpui Roi Katalon Po. Bang so mai long aluhi sarpo man peng nang kachitong dun lumba jong emisi juni timung lapen VDC chairman John Hanse tum chitong dun si bang so mai long Sikpui Roi aprang an kapaching thor ponjia phat emisi pen chichak ponsi bang so mai long satami RDP dun Diphu pen Robin Rongpi report Time News Diphu
লগতে আমরা আকৌ একটা বনা দিছো তাতে এতিয়া আমাৰো কৈছো তাতে এইটো মাটি ফিল্ড মিটিং পাতিবৰ কাৰণে গাঁৱৰ ডিফেন্স ডিসকাশন কৰিবৰ কাৰণে তাত জায়গা নাই তো তাত হেতু মাটিটা মাটি পুৰা ফিল্ড বনাব আছে তাত ফিল্ড এই সিমেন্টক লগাই কিনি মই পুৰা ফিল্ড বনাব আছে মাৰ্ভেল ভিলেজত মই পুৰা ল্যান্ড ডেভেলপমেন্ট মই তাতে এতিয়া 5 লাখ সেংশন কৰিম এতিয়া মই কিন্তু সেংশন নকৰা বিফোর সেংশন অলৰেডি কাম ওয়ার্ক কনস্ট্রাকশন মানে গোইং অন যেটো আৰু তাতে TMDS প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী আৱাস যোজনা মোৰ টোটাল 14 হাউস দিয়া হৈছে সেকশন কৰা হৈছে
Cultivation system is harvested in winter period.
Festival is so important. It is celebrated basically on a good occasion. A good occasion means in the year a good year celebration. That's why it is very important. And this year, it is also called blessing and harmony celebration. It is a blessing. It is celebrated basically on a good year. To have this, it is a privilege for the whole community to have it. In the modern context, now we have shifted from basic agriculture to some professions, business, government workers, and different types of earning system, which is slightly deviated from agriculture. So in the cities, we need to celebrate that, though it is not harvest, but every activity we have is counted as harvest. In Karbi Anglong context, this is the 32nd celebration. This 32nd year we have, and we are happy to have Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to acknowledge the presence and the importance of Sikpui, and they gave us restricted holiday. Coincident Karbi Anglong start. Coincident with that Haflong also provide, and virtually now even at state level. Today is declared as restricted holidays to honor Sikpui, a good harvest festival. In the context, though good or bad, there was what's called major setback in social enmity in Manipur. So there was Israel's decision in saying that let us not celebrate. But here the point of view we had is that since it is auspicious occasion, though we don't celebrate in a magnified way, at least a token of celebration. That is the reason why the gathering is not so much. And we are happy at least we could do that. And we are also happy that Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council also extended sufficient grants to enable us to do. We are grateful. I thank all of you for coming.
Today events with chief guest and dignitaries are present.
Since most of the villages and the population of our community, other than the Nuchans of West Karbi Anglong, since most of the inhabitants are belonging to Lumbazang area, we decided, and he is the right man. And in fact, he is very proactive and he is very concerned for all these social organizations. We have been Johnny Temu's festival chief guest, and we are happy he could come also. He represents everything, and he have already given outflow of his heart to promote the cultural importance of the market.
How many days the program will be?
No, we do have only one day. Culturally, it is a celebration of a month long. But yeah, month long celebration. But here in the modern age, we are running after time, and we are in high speed. We celebrate only one day somehow, and we honor the notified day. 5th of March is half of it. Thank you.
APHRC 6 Foundation Day Catalan Poncia Pan Tirika Mamai Kiseng Pon. Matijong achi kloni 5 player ni 21 number Borjan constituency ke paru Kuligao Pathuak Lamalong APHRC 6 Foundation Day Catalan Poncia Pan Tirika Mamai Sengpon. Labangso Tirika Mamai ke Sengpon Cepahim Pupon Sarkirirong Parpen Kachari Pon along APHRC Tiripi Mai Puja Ai Kathar VP Rajan Tiso, Wothat Langso LA Bikram Hanse Bokajan LA Samson Teron, Women Wing Perita Kram Sapi Pen Chenglok, Penang An Ke Kiding Man Ke Do Atum An Chetong Dunsi, Bangso Chingwai Ching Saisi, Tirikam Amai Ke Seng Ardi Dojot Pen Arpu Cepek Ponlo. Kedamtang setame labangso tirikam amai seng pondo bonta arpu ke papleng et un it derajok non puthot chingki chethan ponsi arpu ke pleng play adim puthot papleng ponthulo labangso tirikam amai ke seng jasemet pet APHRC 6 Foundation Day Catalan Hanjang Langso Sport Association Pathuak Lamalong arkoya chiklo inkoira isi inkoira hini inkoira ke thomni thoma pharman talon ponpu lasiko son besi mesen pen mati aliralon pen katalon pon thekji mapu apu thaksi chingki chethan ponlo lapen arpu setame chepek ponlo news text report time news Diphu
Pinige nilitum dak non batai throk apong Foundation Day APHLC Foundation Day ke doji aphan reception committee second sitting pinidolo second sitting along finance committee lapen Chanri Chanjai a subcommittee nilitum seng pontuat napen non ke a party ta thebom lopot lamasi kadowi rat atum na pidun et longji aphan nilitum inkoiraisi Januari arkoi inkoiraisi arni ke chengpo dak Hanjang Langso Sports Association appeal along lapen ke inkoiraisi pen chengsi inkoira ke thom arni ke niritum public meeting dupo lahelo piniga pe kaperai
Ante mane pan chief guest ke hangi la posondo masar.
nilitum lagen committee tum sinon chingwai jilang labang ni tum pitik telang hangji seta hangji chief guest ke hangwek po lapen amenda chief guest ta do thuo jibo pini ke hangji is ke doan angkang la jasemet iltum hil inglong arat akhai alidar tum hanedi hala tum hani ni tum ke hangang tum lapen ke dak indigenous amunit atum phat asam penamat sita indigenous amunit indigenous pulete aprang pen ke do vera tu pule hala tum alidar tum hani tum hangjibo
Lagi biji ke nini farman ma arisi.
ni thom lo seda alang li tuman ke wang yi khala last day arni lo public meeting arni 23 arni January inquiry thom arni
KSC Bojan District Committee tumpen arondre pen parking ke pangnia puthak STO civil ari deng pimpura lo ki pachurta Matijong ni Paipor ni Bogajan SDO Civil Ariden KSA Bogajan District Committee Tumpen Khatkhati Lahorijan Angkang Malom Aron Repen Parking Kangpu Pen Aputhang Pimpura Lo ke Pajirta Lason Sila Puson Aron Repen Parking Kangpu Tumaphan Inghap Enangji Pusi KSA Bogajan District Committee Tumpen Hangpon Si Bogajan SDO Civil Ariden Pimpura Lo ke Pajirta Laben bangso ron repen kangpu parking hapon pe pute thedung kachisong dengnang kok puputa KSA tumpen ningje pontu News Desk Report Time News Diphu
Sai phala dak parking nong si heita la dak pasun pana puta
la sopothang nili tumda pinang andim ground report long namlo alang tum ahok peda bang ke alang tum destination doji alang tum hala EV bill pendang lo kapre long taka mention do konat pensi konat an ponjima setame ki ong ding alang litum la song bong pendak pinang ana hormu alang tum illegal phan ki claimi phan ka bor ia joine pen pinang ana parking along je aron re pen la tum piloma hala final destination na dim long ke lilia prang setame la tum lahorian khotuti area lom anlut po dak pen se akol tum dimapur in phal tame la son hormu pon lasi laso banga jok che pesin li tum na puji lasi soputhak tame ladak bokajan law and order la pen SDO civil pinin li tum dak tame la solam the tame than dekang lo alang li tum prabjin la bang soputhak action and poposil li tum man pachini pon
nona mat ke la parking
la soputhak ke nili tum kachini damate engke ilong ke choklim do la ke MS bongrum parking bodolo la pen longni bang ke balaji parking bodo la bang so balaji parking atum tame alo choklim lo setame la tum bang ke non bang ke pilo up to date kuri re la tum expire posi pachini la siki ong dong la puna parking ka suli do la soputhak bang ke prabjin pen la bang so illegal ke claim tum bang ke retarded nang ji la pen la hai parking bang ke ingker pon lam ni posi nili tum kar bilu charli asong bang ke hang paso pon lo
kande la sagor ke la gari ki
la soputhak bang ke nitum lang chari dam de lang setame ajak tum knowledge nang pilo la tum ki ong dum bang dimapur pen setame la tum ada penat a license pen ka suli tum do la si taxation department kar binglo tum mas council alang li tum bang si la bang soputhak door to door bang ke koson pen si la tum business establishment bang mas soputhak bang ke alang li tum check pamenang lang pasil li tum chuning report